When building a deck close to the ground, it is important to use appropriate materials for the substructure to ensure the longevity of the deck. While H3 structural pine can be suitable for off-ground applications, it may not be the best option for close-to-ground decking if the space between the ground and timber framing is too close. Local authorities should be consulted. Galvanized steel framing is a popular choice for close-to-ground decking because it is resistant to moisture and rot, which are common issues with wood framing. Steel framing is also stronger than wood and can provide a stable and long-lasting substructure for the deck. While galvanized steel framing may be more expensive than wood and harder to work with, it can be a worthwhile investment in the long run due to its durability and resistance to moisture and rot. Overall, close-to-ground decking can be a great option for creating an outdoor living space that is easily accessible and blends in with the surrounding landscape. By using appropriate materials and construction techniques, a close-to-ground deck can be both durable and aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for watching.